Action track enabled. Let's see how well that keeps us on track, huh? So I have a method that I've been using that works well. I sit here and I wait, listen for the birds. So I don't want them too far, even though this is a telephoto lens. Now I've got things set up, and I'm out here in my outdoor bird studio. A cardinal just flew up to about 5 yards away. So in my boredom, I'm going to shoot some video of some ribbon hanging from our tree. Nothing else shows up. There's one, there's two, three cardinals. A male cardinal, mostly recovering from its molting, sitting on a branch. Car goes by, camera's off. Nice focus, nice light. Now it's getting boring. It's all slow motion. I've got 33 seconds of filming, so I'm going to stop on this one, move to another one. This is a completely different looking male that just left, went to a lower branch. Let's get him back. He's got the funny haircut. I've seen him before. Or one very similar, I should say. Got one feeding on the ground. There's all kinds of activity right now. Got one really close. There's a nice looking specimen. I just missed two of them sort of squabbling over seed. Was not on the ball. What you are seeing now are birds that I saw this morning when the light was very different. I'm adding this in just because I thought these were some very nice cardinals and just a little snippet of a Carolina wren. So for those of you who have stayed around till this time, I think you will enjoy these. And the very last cardinal, I think, is probably the best looking cardinal I've ever seen. And I'm not sure whether it is a male or a female going through stages after molting. I'm a bit confused. I'm open to any suggestions if you know. So thank you much and enjoy the rest of this video, which is only about another minute and a half. Hope you stay tuned for more. See you then. Bye-bye.